One, two, three, funk it.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So at the moment we're here in Ibn Battuta Mall and we're here now at the food court. So now we're just having some last minute shopping and for our vacation. So let's go mga beshies. This is our lunch for today. See it mga beshies. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ferrari. So mga beshi, we just came back from Ibn Battuta Mall. And these are the items you should be able to buy from Ibn Battuta Mall. These are the last things or items that we shopped there for our vacation. And then our last stop was Hope Veterinary Clinic because we bought food for Kobe for 3 weeks already. So this is what he eats for his wet food, and we already stocked for his dry food as well. So yun lang mga beshies. Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So today is our flight going from Dubai to Singapore. So from Singapore we will head to the Philippines. So we have a stopover there for a few hours. So yun mga beshies, iwan naman namin ang baby namin. Nalulungkot na siya. I can feel like he's anxious. Sorry Kobe, Tita Gada will take care of you, okay? So our pickup is already downstairs. We're just placing our luggages downstairs. So yun mga beshies. I'll update you later once we get to the airport. See you! Hello mga beshies. So we just arrived here in the airport and we did our check-in already. So we're now gonna look for the lounge. Hopefully we can get there before the time. We still have how many hours? Around 2 hours, right? Around 2 hours before our boarding time. So let's go mga beshies. Going to the departure gates and gonna pass by the immigration. So mga beshies, we're now heading to the lounge because we still have 1 hour to enjoy the lounge. So dun muna tayo, we're gonna have dinner there. I'll show you around. Let's go! So mga beshi, we have a free access here in the Marhaba Lounge. So I'll show you around here. Let's go! Yan, may mga alak dyan, mga beshies. So ito mga beshies, I have chicken biryani. And then I have also sandwich with chicken inside. Then yola. Gin with ginger ale. Let's eat mga beshies. Buti nakahabol kami mga beshies. Kahit mga ilang minutes na lang. Marhaba Lounge. Thank you Lord. You saved our dinner. We don't need to pay in the food court. So So, ganyan. Maraming tao dito mga beshi. So, maraming tao. So, yun. I'll update you guys later. Unlimited coffee in the lounge. There's ice cream as well. 9 dirhams pala yan, ice cream. Then, breads and hot food are served here as well. There are dishes here. And sandwiches, cold cuts, chips. And more hot food in here. We're here at the boarding gate now and we're ready to board. Boarding gate is open. Yeah. Hello mga beshies. We're going inside the plane now. Say hi. Let's go mga beshies. See you Singapore later. Mga beshi, we're inside the plane now and these are travel hacks. You have to drink this one so your stomach will not boil. Hindi ko kulo yung tiyan. If you're gonna drink this. So I'm gonna drink now. So at least I will have a good night's sleep. Diba? Let's drink our medicine. Let's go mga bes. May pahatawe ng Singapore Airlines. Hindi mo pwede mag yung makeup ko. Kamay na lang para malinis ka. Kamay. Time now here in the airplane. So this is what I'm having for dinner. I'm having chicken with mashed potato. Then there's some salad. Then there's a dessert. I think this is apple crumble. There's a bread. And hold on. Let's enjoy. Breakfast time. Hello mga beshi. So we just arrived here at Changi International Airport and I think we're gonna transfer to a different terminal. So we're gonna figure out first where we should go and I'll update you guys later. Let's go! I'm gonna ride the SkyTrain to T2 to transfer to the terminal to airport. And let's go! We're here now at the Terminal 2 and we're looking for a place where we can have breakfast because the time is around 8 a.m. and I'm quite starving already. So let's check on the options here. I'm gonna order here from this restaurant because there's laksa like finally thing. This is our breakfast. This is Hainanese with braised pork belly, and then this one, I don't know, para siyang puto na may toppings. And then this is the laksa, Dudong's favorite. And we have iced tea and Milo. Let's enjoy our breakfast, beshies. Let's eat mga beshies. Say ah. Pork is so tender. The curry flavor is there. Very nice. Aromatic. This is 8 out of 10. What about yours? This is right. With the egg. Put egg and vegetable. Yummers. Curry, no? Let's eat mga beshies. Wow, amazing airport with the nature, the touch of nature. So mga beshi, we're gonna check on the Irving's shop because, you know, when you're in Singapore, it's good to buy the fish skin from that store. So let's go and check. Hello mga beshi, finally we arrived in the Philippines, Manila, and we're gonna go to the E-gates now. Let's go! Finally arrived mga beshies here at NAIA Terminal 3 and we just got our luggage. Medyo matagal siya bago nakuha. So now we're waiting for our pickup. Oh, pickup! Hello mga beshi, I'm finally home! So, tignan niyo yung mga decoration namin sa bahay. And then that one, ginawa ni Clary yun. Oh, kasi yun yung Christmas tree namin. Oh, init. Nakamiss ang aircon sa Abu Dhabi. Hashtag Sona is waving. So, yun mga beshies. Pagod ang lola nyo dahil sa layover at travel. So, I'll update you guys later. Hello mga beshies. Yesterday I was so tired because of my flight and the layover. Tignan nyo ba mga beshi, yung boses ko is so different. Kasi nadala ko yung sakit ko dito sa Manila. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I just want to thank my family for my welcome amenity. I have goods here. There is pancit canton, and then there is chips, tas may jelly, and then may pang scrub. Actually, meron pang toothbrush, and also sleepers, and then Coke Zero. And may mga shampoo, conditioner, and then may cotton buds. Thank you, fam. I love you.
Kaya ako yung ano nga yung...
Hello, mga beshies! So, this is a gift from Clary for Christmas. So, I'm
So,
gonna
follow
open it
sa
now.
akin
So, follow for the mommy. Thank you so much, Clary. You're so thoughtful. Love, yours. Wow, it's 2 bags
Yeah.
inside.
Kaya naman maklari ako yung ano. Hindi kaki, sabi nga kaki daw bibigay ko sa'yo.
Wow, gentleman.
Yeah.
Ayan tayo.
Ganda.
Do you like it?
Yeah, so much. So, there's black and beige. And there's a colorful one. Thank you,
Yes.
Clary.
The other one is neutral, so yeah. It's up to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello mga beshies! How are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're heading to Mega Mall because we're gonna do some last minute shopping for our Japan trip. So let's go mga beshies! Hello mga beshies! We're here at the Globe Telecom and I'm gonna purchase a SIM card. So yun, kasama ko si Mommy and Clary. Say hi! Si Mama sikat. Ayaw magpakita sa camera. Hi, Clary.
Hello, guys.
So, we're gonna wait for our turn. So, I'll update you guys later. Let's go! Hello mga beshies. So, we did not go through the Globe Telecom because it's a lot of waiting. We have to wait for a long time. So, I just took my SIM from Dito Telecom. So, it's fine for me because I spent like around 200 plus and it's gonna be 28 GB. So, it's more cheaper for me. So, yun mga beshies. Let's go and we're gonna find for a place where we can have Clary's phone repaired. Let's go! Hello mga beshies! So, we just came back from SM Mega Mall, going here at home. So, I wasn't able to vlog after we came from the cyber zone because I had Clary's iPhone battery changed. And then after that, we had lunch in Isbaro, which is our favorite restaurant. And then after that, we went for some like last minute shopping. Like I bought some clothes and like vanity items from department store and Watson's. And we went to some clothing outlets as well. So after that, we came home and I just packed all my things for our flight. So it's all here already. I'm packed already and I'm just gonna do a last minute errand later online because I have to purchase our luggage allowance. And also I was able to fulfill our e-travel online and also the Japan web. So those are the two requirements when you enter to Japan from Manila. And then when you get to the airport, you have to pay for the travel tax as well. So yeah, that's the update for now mga beshi. So tomorrow I'm gonna let you know what's our plan. Let's go! Hello mga beshies! It's already afternoon here in the Philippines and I'm gonna go to the salon to have the Korean perm for my hair. So I'll be having a new hairstyle for 2025 and for our travel as well in Japan. Let's go mga beshies! I'm here na sa Sumi Salon mga beshies. This is where I'm going to have my Korean perm. Let's go!
One, two, three, funky.